2. What is meaning here? What is that? No. Still go for this one. Question number 2. Is going to the diagram which below show the plan of the house drawn a scale to a scale of 1 to 300. Okay. So what is meaning here? We are going to find out the DE. Where is the DE? D is 11. Okay. This one is a drawing. Okay. The question asking for the actual length. Okay, actual length for DE. Okay. So what is meaning? We are going to find out by, okay, the question is asking for this one. We so DE over actual length, is actual length is DE, and actual length of DE. This one is 11 is a drawing. Actual length DE, okay, equal to what? Its scale is given 1 to 300. Okay, to 300. By meaning we are going to get the cross multiply 11. Okay, 11 times, okay, times 300 cross multiply is DE. Okay, by meaning we are going to get the DE is to be 11.3300. This one is cm, but question is asking for meter. Okay, question is actual in meter. We are going to convert to meter, Okay, that is meaning divide by. That is meaning you are going to divide by 100. Okay, 100. Whereas we get the answer is 33 meter, Okay, 33 meter. Okay, same as a question GH. Okay, I no need to show everything here. So what is GH is the actual GH. Okay, this one is 4. Okay, the again is 4. Okay, 4 over GH. For the scale, the drawing, is 4 cm. You need to find out the actual length of GH equal to what? 1 to 300. Okay, so what is meaning? You are going to find out by cross multiply. Okay, where is you get the 4 times 300 is equal to GH, cross multiply, okay. You need to know what is meaning cross multiply, Until now you need to understand 1200. This one is a centimeter. You're going to get the meter is divided by 100. That means 12 meter actual length. Okay. This one is the actual length, So enough for you to